Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Nest doorbell that is not ringing inside. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Nest doorbell here and it's not ringing inside, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first is you want to open the Nest app and go to your doorbell's settings. Now you'll see an option called electronic chime. So in this case, you want to see if it's off. So turn it on. Close the app and reopen it and turn it off again. So this actually refreshes the connection between Google servers and your doorbell. So it's like giving it a little nudge to work properly here. And also you might want to check your quiet time. Now, check if the quiet time is on. So you want to go to the live feed in the actual app and you want to go and click on the drop down menu that you see there and make sure quiet time is turned off. So if quiet time is turned on, your doorbell won't ring, or in this case it won't ring indoors. So just make sure that it's turned off. So if you want to hear something. Next is you want to enable the indoor chime. So while you're also in the app itself, you want to look for a ring indoor chime settings under the doorbell options and make sure it's switched on. And also you might want to try another device here. So in this case, this is kind of weird. So if someone else in your home has the Nest app on their phone or tablet, ask them to adjust the settings. So sometimes using the different device to toggle the settings can magically fix things. So which is kind of weird here. But in this case, you could go ahead and still try it and see if that works. And also you might want to basically try or test the chime hardware. Now if it's not working, you want to go ahead and test your hardware here. So touch the two wires on your doorbell together briefly, just very fast. Now if the chime rings, your circuit and chime are fine. Now if it doesn't, the issue might be with the chime or transformer that powers it. And finally, you might want to go ahead and check your battery. So there's another thing to check here. So your doorbells. Now, in this case, you want to see if your doorbell has been sitting unused for a while here. Now, if the battery is low, it can stop the chime from working. So charge it for a few hours and try again. And you'll know the battery is low if the camera live view cuts out when you press the doorbell. And none of those actually work. You go and try restarting it and resetting it. So in this case, for a restart, you want to go and press on the back of the doorbell for about like 5 seconds. Now if you need to do a full reset, hold the button for about 12 seconds. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.